and welcome to my channel. My name is Tasia Love. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell that's somewhere above my head. Ding, ding, ding. And today we have the flex line dance tutorial, breaking it down step by step. So guess what? Let's get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so we can all be the same direction. All right, and notice today I have on tinted shoes. All right, so we about to get it. So starting from here, it's a step and slide. It's a step. This is my right, and this is my left. Ready? 5, 6, follow me. It's a step. Now when you step, you just the ball of your foot, not the whole foot down, like this. All right? 5, 6, ready, let's go. And step and slide, step and slide. We got that much? Good. All right, do it again. 5, 6, ready, let's go. Step and slide, step and slide. Next is a heel, heel, turn. Right? All right, let's do it again. So right, left, turn on that heel. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Heel, heel, turn. Repeat it. Heel, heel, turn. All right, and that turn, add your own swag, your own attitude into it. Let's put it together from the top. 5, 6, step and slide. It's a step and slide, step and slide. Heel, 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 turn. Heel, heel, hit that corner. All right, next move. You're gonna be going to your right side. All right, so for the sake of teaching, I'm just gonna turn this way, but you do hit the corner twice. All right, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get as low. How low can you go? How low? Get as low as you want to go, baby. All right? So once again, that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put it together from the top. Step and slide. 5, 6, step and slide. It's a step and slide it, baby. Step, heel, heel. It's a heel, heel, turn. Heel, heel, turn. Right here on your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the song says back it up, back it up. It's a right, left, right, left. Let me turn to the side and do it. It's a right, left, however you want to do that. If you want to walk back, just 1, stop, boom. All right? As long as it's on that beat. So it's a 1, 2, 1, 2. And you're going to hit that next corner for a 4 count. So in real time, this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back it up, and turn, turn, turn. So 4 hit turn, and then guess what? It repeats. I just taught that really quick. Y'all don't got to be here for a long time, just for time. You know what I mean? So let's put it all together real quick, okay? I love this line dance because it's so easy to learn. All right? Step and slide. 5, 6, step and slide. Go with step and slide it, baby. Step and slide. Heel, 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 turn. Heel, heel, turn your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back it up, and turn to that side. All right? And then that's it, y'all. We just repeat it. So know that this is my left side. Just gonna hit that corner. So how about we do this? Now, if you want to do this with me, go ahead and click the reel with music and do it with me. But before I let you go, let's do it a couple of times, hitting those different corners. All right, so you get a feel for it. From the tippity top. 5, step and slide, baby. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. And step and slide, step and slide. Heel, heel, turn. Heel, heel, turn your right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now back it up, and turn, turn, turn. It's a step and slide. There you go. Step and slide. It's a heel, heel, turn. Hit it. Heel, heel, turn. Bow. Hit it. Back it up. And turn, turn, turn. Do it again. Step and slide. Get it. Step, heel, heel, turn. Heel, heel, bow. Heel, heel, bow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back that thing up. Back it up. And turn, turn, turn. I felt that you got it. Good job, y'all. So once again, go ahead and click this link that's in my description and do it with music. All right, until next time, see you on the next video.